Friends, confidants, it is time for more Dark Souls. I'm pretty eager to continue where we left off, so let's just jump right into things. You can see my playtime is 121 hours. This is a damn long game. I probably left it on, so it's probably closer to 100 hours. But pretty long game, as I'm sure some of you may know. So we killed Artorias. We were greatly victorious. What the hell is going on? Are you a person?
Is that not the soul of the man who fell on this spot? He was a dear friend. I wish to pay proper respect with that soul. Would you be willing to part with it?
Let me just take a look at it first.
Yes, of course. I must not be presumptuous. Artorias would not have approved.
Oh no. I want to learn more about this Artorias guy. So was he just like hollow? Was he like a zombie? Did he not mean to just go crazy and kill me? What, his soul? Let's see. Let's see here. I have his crest, so... Alright. I think I got that much earlier in the game for something else. Now I know it must be somewhere here. Where's your soul, man? Where's your soul, Artorias? Where's your soul? Ah, right here. Victim of the Abyss, Knight Artorias. Soul of Lord Gwyn's Knight Artorias, who was consumed by the Abyss. Ah, we went there. The legend that Artorias repelled the Abyss only told half the story. It seems that he was defeated, his honor preserved by some unsung hero who is the true victor over the Abyss. Is that me? Are they referring to me? I fought this boss, the Four Kings, at the Abyss, using Artorias' ring, which I just killed a crazy version of him, apparently. I don't know, man. This is getting deep. Yeah, sure, of course you can have a soul.
What is it? Something else? Have you changed your mind?
Yes, I have. Here you go. Do with it what you will.
Thank you. You are very kind. Please take this. I no longer need it.
Whoa.
May the Lord guide thee.
Whoa. What's this stuff? It's pretty wild. Wild sounding. Gold Tracer. Curved sword used by the Lord's blade. Siran? I don't know. Siran brandishes her sword in a mesmerizing dance, etching the darkness with dire streaks of gold. Well, it looks like a pretty cool thing. I can't wield it because I'm not good enough, but wow. Wow, look at that. Wow. Wow. Ha! Oh my god. If I had the right build for this, I'd totally make some use out of that. In fact, I will. Just for a little bit, just for some fun. Was there another one? I have a whole bunch of stuff here. The Dark Souls inventory, you know, it's probably the Demon Spear. That looks pretty cool. It's probably the weakest part of the game, just because, you know, you have so much stuff and it's all just kind of here. But if that's the weakest part of this game, God, I'll take it. I think I had another one. Yeah, I did, right? Ah. Dark Silver Dagger, used by lords. One of Gwyn's 4 knights. This victim is first distracted by dazzling streaks of the gold tracer, then stung by the vicious poison of this dagger. Ha-cha! Whoa! Yeah! Ha-wah! Ha-cha! Ha-cha! Wait, I'm gonna see all my power attacks, like leaping attack, lunge attack, I mean. Ha-cha! Okay, so kind of similar. I'm gonna use this. Not that one, but the gold one. Just for kicks. Even though I can't really wield it right. Let's do it. Let's... Oh, so... Yeah. That was cool, I guess. Use, have fun with that soul. I don't know what you're gonna use it for, but be safe.
May the Lord guide thee.
Yeah. Yeah, I hope he will. So let's go. Let's make off on our adventure. Ooh. Alternate path already. Hey, a bonfire. That's really nice. That's really nice. I would love to just have a new place to be. Alright. What was that? Did you guys hear something? Okay, I have 50,000 souls. What am I gonna do with these 50,000 souls? Okay, I'm gonna go back and buy some humanity. I'll be right back. Right now!
Oh, for Juniper's sake, put some spring into your step.
Ew. Creepy guy.
Did you really slay Knight Artorias? I'd heard the Abyss found him first, but even still, that's absolutely treacherous. Yes, magnificently so. Believe it or not, Oolacile has brought the Abyss upon itself, fooled by that toothy serpent. They upturned the grave of primeval man and incited his ornery wrath. What could they have been thinking? But to you and I, it's all ancient history. You have to ask yourself, does it really matter?
Okay, got some humanity. Now I have 13. Nice little bunch. Let's go up here. Why not? See what's on the upstairs of this Colosseum. Maybe some nice sunlight. Just some nice vistas. That's what I want. Just some nice things to look at. Blacksmith. Blacksmith ahead! Oh, goody! I hear him! I hear him right now. Oh, where is he? Blacksmith, are you down there? Oh, I'm not gonna fall down there. Are you over here, blacksmith? I think you are. Oh, it's locked. Oh. Oh. I want... Oh, you can kind of see my eyes. It's a little creepy. I want to get a key to that. I don't know what's down here. Is it bottomless? Okay, well, let's find out. I have, oh no, I don't have fall control. I don't care. Let's have fun. Whee! Nope! Alright. Well, now I know. I didn't lose anything, because I had 400 souls. So let's just, pick right up back here and travel around. Is there, what's this? Liar ahead. Okay. Imminent bonfire. Oh, yeah. No, that's real helpful. Right there. Yeah. Yeah, no, that's real helpful. Thanks, dude. Let's attack some people with this sword thing. Yeah? 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 Hey, man. What's up? Oh, you want a hug? I'll give you a hug. Oh. 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 This thing attacks. So cool. I mean, just look at this attack. It's all like... But I can't use it. Clearly I can't use it. So rather than die, I guess I'll switch weapons. And try not to die. No, 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 no. Oh, no. Okay, well, let's try that again. Bam! Okay, no more fooling. I got my enchanted longsword. You're dead. Bam, bam. There. Short work. Nothing over here, right? Yeah, just some walls. Structural integrity. Gotta maintain that structural integrity. What's on this roof? Oh, something cool. Large soul of a proud knight. Wonderful. Hey guys. How you doing? I'm gonna use some crystal soul mass here. Hey guys. I see you're having a fun party. I don't wanna you know, break it up or anything, but, well, I guess I just did. So, I'm liking this whole overgrown theme. I mean, it's like ancient, but it's pretty. I might be crazy, but I just heard, like, distant screams or something. Hey. Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. I don't know, maybe I'll turn up the audio on that bit, but I swear I heard some distant screams, and it was kind of creepy. Can't really go down there, because I can't summon this elevator. Nothing up here, right? Nope. Okay. So we'll keep making our way down here. Okay. It's a little creepy. It's definitely a little creepy. I'm slightly creeped out now. That was kind of creepy. That was really creepy. Okay, let's keep going. Hey guys. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay, okay. Whoa, man. You shouldn't play with the black magics like that. Look at his face. Okay, whoever's in the background screaming really needs to stop, because I can't cope with that through like the whole video. That's gonna get on my nerves. Not in like an irritated way, just like in a I'm gonna get anxious and I don't know, man. It's creepy. It's really creepy. Just hearing sounds everywhere, man. God. I don't know what to think. Down there is death, I assume. Or maybe not, but oh, it's an item. Let's just go this way. I've had enough of these large souls of a brave warrior. This looks pretty precarious. Oh, man. Look at this place. Look at this place. I only have 5 Estus flasks, so I should be careful. There's a chest there. So, let's, make sure it's not a mimic. It is a mimic. Okay, okay. Alright. We've dealt with these guys before. They're no big threat. Unless they, like, try to eat you. That's pretty... Oh, no. No. Oh, don't eat me. Okay. Alright. I'll go back there. I'll kill him. He's not a big threat. Boom. Okay, Mimic. You are nothing that a couple soul spears can't deal with. Hey, buddy. Bam. Short work. Short work of him. Let's see what you drop. Very good. Very good. Kavi. Okay, I gotta check this thing out. I don't even know where that would be under. What is a very good carving? Where, what, like, general items? I don't know. Ooh. Archery carving says, very good. I don't know, I'm being racist. Head carved of arch trees by Gao. In his imprisonment, Gao imparts an emotion to each and every completed carving, which helps him achieve personal enlightenment. When a head is disturbed, it speaks, reflecting the emotion conferred to it. This head says, very good. Have another look. Does it not appear quite jovial? Yeah, I guess that it seems jovial to me. Yeah, sure. Yeah, why not? Is there nothing down here? Oh, yes, there is. Yes, there is. You know, I'm not so sure buildings are supposed to lean like this. I mean, I'm not a structural engineer. I'm not an architect, but you would think that buildings aren't supposed to lean that far. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. short work of these guys. These guys aren't too tough. Artorias was tough. Hey there, buddy. Don't mind me, I'm just walking over here to kill you. Hello. Hello. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I'm poisoned. Oh. Alright, well. Let's eat some purple moss clone. There we go. Heal up. Alright. Let's keep going. Push your buddy off the ledge. Haha. Ahaha. 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 Look at me having fun. Okay, hey dude. Bye dude. Try attacking. Oh, gee, no, oh. Thanks. Got it. Oh, okay. Bam. All this blue stuff. Don't know what it is. I'll probably find out soon. Maybe, I don't know. I have no idea. Get off my back. Rubbish. Well, okay. What is this? Oh god. They're not too tough, so... Rubbish? What is this, Planescape Torment, where you just pick up rubbish and it has no use? What is this? What is this? Has no value. Rubbish. Who in their right mind would bother carrying this around? Perhaps you need help. Okay, I swear, that's the exact same item description it said in Planescape Torment. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. Why am I carrying around rubbish? This looks pretty cool. Hey guys. There are a lot of you, but you're pretty easy to kill, so shouldn't have any troubles. Let's do this. Let's dance. Oh, okay. There are a lot of you. A lot of you guys. Let's have some fun. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, God. I died really quickly. Okay. Let's come back. Let's fight these guys again. Bam. Alright, I'm back with a couple more ounces of respect than I had for these guys before, just because they killed me so fast. So, yeah, let's get down to business. Hey guys, gonna get these. You're gonna use a few crystal homing soul masses. They're pretty useful against these guys. Oh, especially that mage. Okay, wait, this is a toxic situation, and I am dead. Wow. Alright, this room is tougher than I first thought. Let's get back there. Bam. Okay, I am back, now with some definite respect for these guys in terms of their ability to just, like, instantly kill me, so let's be a little more careful about this. You're gonna come at me first? Alright. Can work with that. Let's just soul spear this guy up here, because, I don't know. I don't like him. I don't like them. I don't like casters. Alright. Now, nothing back here. This place is pretty cool. Anything over here? Nope. Okay. Okay. Okay, now these guys. All these guys up here. Just like, you know, a couple of you come over here. Fight. Yep, fight with me. It's a stupid caster. Alright, just get over here, man. There we go. Oh. 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 Okay. 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 Now you. Bam. Okay, last but not least, all these little guys. Just making sure there's no... I don't know. Other people somewhere just gonna jump me. It's a thing in Dark Souls. People jumping you. Okay. So I'm all healed up. This is a cool little fireplace. I'm all healed up. Got this item. Dark Fog. Wow. There are a lot of crazy items here. Try up. 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 What is this? Dark Fog. Abyss sorcery used by an Oolacile sorcery. Okay, I cannot deal with those screams anymore. Abyss sorcery discovered by an Oolacile sorcerer on the brink of madness creates a dark cloud of fog. So this is magic, eh? Although dark fog is in theory relatively close to humanity, it is also thought to be a terrible poison. Okay, so poison, basically. Might be useful in some cases, but I typically prefer the direct approach of sword to the neck, or... God damn it, screams.